with multidisciplinary, when you're dealing with pathology, psychopathology, and pathophysiology, you have to take areas of philosophy, psychology, primarily metaphysics and phenomenology, because bipolar 1 manic episode during mania, there's a lot of, and also cognitive neuroscience. So during manic episode, there's a lot of different metaphysical and phenomenological phenomena that occurs. So that's multidisciplinary, that's cross-disciplinary. Transdisciplinary is where mutually exclusive disciplines converge, right? So one example is linguistics. So I may study linguistics and I may study comedy simultaneously. This is transdisciplinary. Transdisciplinary is where mutually exclusive disciplines converge. And so when you study stuff like ambiguity, uncertainty, ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, and within some syntactical context, vagueness. And humor is predicated on a lot of ambiguity or multiple interpretation. And we know that linguistics is pervasive with ambiguity. Like the word watch is a noun and a verb simultaneously.